Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with a video for you. On this video we're going to be showing you how to uninstall a program called LDPlayer. Now LDPlayer is pretty much a virtual Android that allows you to play games and stuff like that on the computer. It's pretty much an emulator for it, and it's a great system for kids and stuff like that if they want to draw on the computer for it. But there is a cause of a problem that we sometimes get on Windows 10 that you're trying to upgrade to the latest Windows 10 version that came out. Let's see, went to like 1803 to like 1809 or something like that, just randomly. And then it tells you that there's a VirtualBox installed on your computer. But technically, you go to settings and VirtualBox is not there. Well, LDPlayer has some type of integration or features from that other program or something like that that causes the problem for it. So if you just want this program to be uninstalled, or you're having problems of trying to upgrade to Windows 10, the latest system, this will pretty much resolve that issue. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you do is pretty much go to Start, and then you're going to go to Settings. Once you go to there, go ahead and select Apps, and let the programs load up, and we're going to scroll down until you see LDPlayer. You're going to go ahead and select it, and you can pretty much press Uninstall. Now technically I probably would press Uninstall already by now, but just because of a reason, we sometimes have problems that LDPlayer doesn't want to be shown here underneath the regular settings, apps and features. So in case you can't get to there, you can probably go to the Start menu, and we can probably look for the LDPlayer right here and press Uninstall too, and it will take us to this location right here. Again, if you don't want to go to that route, it doesn't want to be shown, you can actually go to Start, and on the search bar you can just type in Control Panel, and you can choose Programs and Features, and again you'll see the LDPlayer. Go ahead and select it, and you can pretty much double click it, or you can press Uninstall, or you can right click and press Uninstall. It'll get you the same location. Go ahead and press yes, and it should take us to the same location right here. Now it tells us thank you for using LDPlayer. It's an easy requesting file. Reason why you're uninstalling this. You don't have to choose any of these. If you want, you can press uninstall. I'm going to say that it's incompatible of using the LDPlayer. That means my computer just can't do it. Regardless, I'm going to press uninstall and allow this program to do its work by being uninstalled. It says the uninstall is complete, and let's just be sure. I don't see it on here anymore. Now, just for safe reason, in case of this does happen, again, you're trying to upgrade to Windows 10 and get this issue, we're going to also go to pretty much C drive and see if there's any other folders that contains the program. So there is a folder right here. This is LDPlayer that got installed. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that folder. I'm going to go ahead and just check other places in case. I'm going to go to Program Files. I don't see anything called LDPlayer in this list here. So I'm going to go to the 86, Programs 86, and I don't see it in this list either. For another selection for it that's kind of hidden underneath here, I'm going to go ahead, we see right underneath C drive, I'm going to type in Program Data and press Enter. And I want to be sure there's no LDPlayer. I don't technically see it in this list, so I think we are good. If it does come to a point and you're still having this problem, please let me know. I will make another video for you. Oh, look what I see here. I see a VirtualBox. Let's see what type of VirtualBox this is. Oh, it's just the details about it. So it tells us anything about this. I think it's the current VirtualBox I'm using right now on this video. So I think we are still good. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.